That's why I'm a great son. Mama, honesty.
Okay. I know I always do with mistakes, but it's okay. You my baby.
No.
You can. I told you you can figure it out.
No.
That's my way to text.
No.
I know you bought something for me. I told you don't
No,
spend money.
ishtasan olmaganman.
Yes, you did. I know.
Ishtasan olmaganman.
That's when I
Bu
like.
informationni qayerdan olyapsiz men?
Where is the horses? Thank you for mocking. Mubin always mocks me. You mocking me.
You always mocking me. Why you mock me? It is not nice.
Yes.
Adek,
Yes.
how are you?
Yeah.
If you hungry, come. I need food. Stay safe. In dream, I saw bad. Be safe, okay, baby? Be safe. In dream, I had bad dream.
Yeah.
Not good dream.
Stop. What you driving? Quickly ask. What you speeding? Look, showing that you speeding. You just drive slower. I wanna see the horses.
60 again. Look at this, so beautiful. Very lucky.
You just told me look at the view.
The
Beautiful.
very lucky to live here. Very nice.
Stop mocking.
Thank God for everything. Not everyone can have this.
Oh my God. Oh no.
Very grateful.
Enough.
Very beautiful life.
Okay, just. I'm not posting much, okay?
I'm not posting much, okay? Har bitta narsani post qilasiz.
No.
Stories gana.
No, before I did. Now no.
Oh, really?
Who cares?
Chochqalar uchib yuribdi endi.
No, like only when I paint
Uh-huh.
or something like a highlighted story.
Sure.
Events.
Sure. Robiga aytib qo'ying, endi uyda yetamiz.
Yeah.
Menga telefon qilib tekst qiladi.
I think she done cooking. What's you driving? Hey?
Siz meni distract qilyapsiz.
Just don't pay attention to me. Okay. Horselar tiqilayotdi.
Bas kelar ekan bu yerga. Bas stop ko'rdim
Bus.
ya.
Oh, maybe in 2 times only in the day.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, bitta bus Varsga boradi. Anaqa Tunney's pasturedan.
Oh.
Yeah, esimda endi.
Whole day kesa kerak.
No, sorry. Finley Creek Stationdan. Anaqa boru, Finley Creek Station.
Yeah.
Ashitdan bitta bus anaqa Varsga olib boradi. Bitta joyga ishlayotgandim-da.
Yeah.
Lumber millda. Haligi daralarda qirqiydigan joyda.
Yeah. Why you wanna work lumbering?
$27 an hour.
No, dangerous.
No.
You're gonna cut your finger.
Ko'ryotgandim-da, bu yerga apply qilaymi, qayerda deb ko'rsam-chi
No.
locationini. Mashinam bo'lganda bora olardim, lekin location'chi 2.5 hours busing.
Oh.
Hell
No. What you doing now? Princess Auto.
No,
is
bu
good.
anaqa o'tgan yili u summerda edi.
Okay.
Va ishim yo'q edi.
Bu yerda hamchi car auctionlar bor ekan.
Yeah, anywhere the money.
You can buy from there.
No,
like
lekin
cheaper.
usually anaqa like it's not that safe, you know, and sometimes you need a dealer license. Dealer license is kerak anaqa auctionlarda olgan. Ontario.
But Edmontonda hech kim.
Edmontonda boshqacha edi. Like, and it depends on the type of auction. Because most auctions, they're dealer only. And like an auction now, machine on SSG, like sometimes it's like not as much like safety or guarantee, you know? Like, obvious damage bo'lsa-chi, like ko'rsachi, that's one thing. Lekin owner-chi damage'larni or problemlarni-chi anaqa nima edi so'z? Declare qilmasa-chi, lekin siz find out qilsangchi, auction bilanchi arbitration case qilsangchi, auctionchi aytadi sellerga, anaqa bunaqa problemi bor ekan, anaqa sellergachi mancha pul qaytarib ber, mana shunaqani fix qilgani deydi. So let's say mashinanichi $10,000 ga oldingiz, alternator problem bor, radiator yaxshi ishlamaydi, manaqa bo'lsa-chi, auction bilanchi arbitration case ochasiz, lekin auctionchi aytadi sellerga, manaqa problemlar bor ekan, 2500 qaytarib ber anaqa buyerga, so asha problemlarni fix qiladi deyishadi. Lekin it depends, you know, not all
But
auctions are
sometimes
like
you
that.
can there is good cars too, like
Yeah.
mild with mild problems.
Yeah, you never know though, you know. Shuning uchun used
Lekin-
mashina olayotgan bo'lsangiz-chi, like u problemalargachi extra moneyingiz bo'lishi kerak.
Yeah.
To'g'ri arzonroq dealershipdan o yangi mashinadan olgandan ko'ra arzonroq, lekin ash mashinachi u yaxshiroq bo'ladigan yangi mashinadan. Lekin shunaqa problemalarchi odamlarchi anaqa like o'ylashmaydi, you know. Mashinani oladi, lekin think qilmaydi, o problemalarni fix qilaman, tuppa-tuzuk mashinani bo'ladi deyishadi, you know. So used mashinani olardi, to'rtta problemasi bor, lekin bu mashina ekan, meni chit qildi deydi, you know.
You know, finance qilish rosa yomon.
Yeah, men nima aytganman sizga?
I learned my lesson,
Yeah,
okay?
yeah.